I'm here with this beautiful 1999 Bentley Arnage V8 twin turbo. This is a gorgeous low mileage car. You can see its parking sensors in the rear there. Beautiful alloys, red label badging. What makes this car really special is that it's actually wrapped in white. So as you can see, there's no overspray on any of the trim because it's actually not painted white. It's like a sticker. It looks factory in appearance, but in reality it's just been wrapped, and I'll show you how that works. It's British racing green underneath this white wrap. The vehicle's HPI clear. Perfect color for wedding season. These cars bring in about $500,000 per wedding, 400 or 500 pounds. We open it up, you can see beautiful interior. Leather looks excellent. Bentley floor mats. Virtually no wear on the steering wheel. Dash pad is excellent, leather stitched. Veneer, all excellent. No cracking, which happens a lot on these cars. You know, there's no chipping or anything up here. Everything's smooth. You can see we've got power memory heated seats, windows, mirrors. Navigation is underneath the bezel here, along with Bluetooth hands-free. CD changer there. Now, what I was saying about the vehicle wrap. Here's the original color. And you can see this is just a sticker. It actually, you see that? Just peels up. So if you want this color removed, it's a real quick process. I believe it involves a heat gun. You can take it to anyone that does these wraps, or any paint shop, or even do it yourself. There's a lot of guides on YouTube on how to put these on and how to remove them. But if you prefer the original color, the factory color underneath, it's there waiting for you. And this vehicle's been wrapped for most of its life, so that the paint actually is much better preserved than one that's been exposed to the elements this entire time. Really, really a beautiful car. Every button works. The power rear seats, power front seats, air conditioning blows cold. Everything is as you would expect in a Bentley. Now let's go take it for a drive. Full Bentley service records. There's no warning lights whatsoever. I'll show you the keyless entry works. Press lock, press unlock. That's your fob right there. That's something that does tend to go out on these cars, so you always want to make sure it works. Alright, we hop on in. Here we are. Let's go ahead and put the keys in the ignition. Put them in upside down. Alright, everything's turning on. Turn the key. And it starts right up.
For no grand reason. Your
Turn
lock
this
is
down.
hard, but I believe my lock is
Alright.
harder. For decades,
Smooth idle.
our friendship has been quite good.
Let's put the air conditioning on. You can see here we've got these controls. We'll go ahead and put it down to its coldest. Nice and cold. You can hear it. Turn it all the way up. Blows really nice. Alright, your power seats. Move it forward, move it back. Same thing. Forward, back. Everything works. Put our windows down. Everything is as it should be. Everything goes up and down just like new. Let me turn this down. Your navigation is right here. You press navigation. Excuse me, I have to hit OK first. And it's a real simple system. You just enter in the address, all voice guided. It works excellently. You see our sport button if you want some extra kick. To shift, you lift up. We go into drive. And off we go. I want to show you this vehicle drives super smooth. There's no funny sounds as we come to a stop here, waiting to turn. The brakes don't squeal. Everything is as it should be. There's no ticking or knocking in the engine. As you can see, no warning lights whatsoever. You almost always find the airbag light on or suspension faults. I'm going to get on it a little bit here. You hear the turbo whining there. It sounds awesome. Alright. The car is super smooth. It floats like a butterfly. Tracking straight. And away we go. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to call, send me a text, shoot me an email. I'm always available. I'm located next to the Becton DLR train station in the Plastow Underground Tube. We're just going to turn around right here. Super smooth. And I'll get on it a little bit again. Perfect shifts. Everything on this car works like new. Thanks for checking out my video. I have another Bentley for sale as well. It's an 88 Mulsanne S. Check out my YouTube channel for more videos. I look forward to hearing from you. Take care.